G'day everybody, welcome to day 4 of the Moate LinkedIn Challenge. I hope you all have started to receive in a recommendation from the people that you reached out yesterday as part of the day 3 challenge. It can take some time, you may not get a response, you may need to find someone else to reach out to perhaps next week if you haven't had a response back. But it is a good thing to do just every now and then, as I said, maybe once a month or once a quarter. Find someone to reach out to that you've done some work with, either more immediately in that previous period, or perhaps in the past, where you can get a recommendation and slowly build up those recommendations so that people come into your profile can actually read about the value that you deliver in the roles that you've had or have. Today's topic is really about picking the low-hanging fruit. So we're often wanting to build our network on LinkedIn, and I guess one of the tools that LinkedIn provides is the ability to see who's viewed your profile. Now, these are obviously then people that have got some level of interest in you or what you do because they've taken the effort to go and view your profile. But I find it quite interesting that when I talk to people, they're not regularly activating those people by going through who view my profile and actually selecting to connect with them. Now, LinkedIn isn't Facebook. It isn't your personal page with pictures of your kids and all those sorts of things. So I really do encourage people to be quite open in who they connect with. You can always disconnect with people if you find that they're being really annoying, just trying to sell you stuff rather than trying to build a relationship. But initially, be quite open. Go through your challenge for today is to spend some time and to build it into your routine, I guess, is to regularly go through your who's viewed my profile and connect with those people that have viewed. As I said, they've only viewed your profile because they've got some level of interest. They might have heard about you from someone. They might have seen a comment that you've made that resonates with them on someone's post. They might have seen that you liked one of their friends' posts or colleagues' posts. So it's really good just to pick that low-hanging fruit that have already made an effort to come and visit you. So today, go through and your who's viewed my profile page and get connecting. Good luck.